What's up, everybody? So we're out here in the backyard on a rainy day to unload my car after the autocross video where it broke. I got it fixed in the trailer itself. But one thing I wanted to highlight is I've done a video on loading and unloading the trailer, but one of the things I worked on during quarantine was speeding up that whole process. And one of the things I had to do was tilt the trailer. Now, on a normal car trailer like my little one, not a big deal. Drive up on some oil ramps, makes it easy. But on this 48-foot toy hauler that I have here, when I go to an event, I don't want to leave the trailer tilted. It, you know, the water pump, toilet and stuff don't work as great sometimes if all of things move the wrong way. Also, don't want to be sitting in the trailer, you know, at a 30-degree angle or whatever. So, tilting the trailer was just a redundant step because at an event, I tilt the trailer, unload the car, untilt the trailer, and then repeat that process to load the car. So it's a lot of wasted time. So one of the things I'm working on is actually making it more ergonomical. So I ditched the big heavy trailer flap you saw in the previous video. And I'm using my aluminum ramps you see here that you'll see in a second. And I got a longer set of race ramps. So I'm gonna go build the the epic ramp to get the Mustang off the trailer, and then we'll back her off. So let's go do it. Alright, so I have these little pins I screwed onto the aluminum ramps that just go into the trailer ramp. So in case the Mustang decides to do a little burnout on the trailer, and it won't kick off the ramps and screw everything up. Okay, so you saw in a few short minutes there, I built the ramp. And this can just stay like this in an event as long as I have space behind here. If I don't, these are the two-piece race ramps. And there is no way I'll ever need to put any wood down or anything. This is nice and easy. Won't run into any issues bottoming out the Mustang anywhere. I could probably even lower the Mustang more if I needed to. So, or extend the splitter, or whatever. So let's back it out. check that I wasn't gonna drive off of it. See the mean look of the Mustang. That's looking good. Well, that's it for this short video. 25 feet of ramp. That's how much it takes to get up on this big trailer. Be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching.